What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to an update on Agix, or the Singularitynet token. Yeah, I mean, can we call it like that? I'm not sure, but I wanted to do a quick update after we have crashed down quite significantly. We're down 25%, volume is down 55%, still very high, alright, but it's probably going to crash down even more, the volume at least. And I wanted to talk about whether we are actually going to crash down more with the price of Agix itself. Alright, has been massively bullish because of everything that happened in the whole AI trend. Alright, a lot of the AI cryptos were very bullish and Agix was leading the pack. But arguably, and I do agree with that argument, it became a little bit overvalued. The price became a little bit inflated. Alright, I think that is what happened, and I also think that is why we dropped down. We're getting towards fair value a little bit because just was a little bit too much. All right, so yeah, I mean, it's a great platform. Let that be clear. All right, it's a great platform. It's a platform where you actually have AI services you can provide, but you can also buy. But in general, I think the price was a little bit too high. I'm not actually sure. I did a video on this a couple of days ago. I think the sources of the volume were actually solid, all right? So there was not really a pump and dump going on, but I'm not too sure about that anymore. So maybe I should have looked at my last and my old video a little bit, but I didn't. But right now, I really think it was just a too big pump, too big of a rally. We reached a significant level around 25 cents, which is a big technical level. It's also a big psychological level. So from there we dropped down, and we already had a couple of bearish confirmations. We did not find enough support at 20 cents. We found minor support. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but we had one wick touch, but then dropped down, also dropped down immediately through 17.5 cents, which is also a significant level. So altogether, technically, we've had some bearish confirmations. So right now you can see that we have found support really at one of our last support levels between 15 cents and 13.5 cents. And the biggest question right now is, can we actually get a second rally? So most of you know this, some of you might not know this, but usually after a rally like this, the price of the crypto will get a second rally off of a strong support level. You could argue that 15 cents is that level, so that from here we'll be able to get that second rally up to probably 20 cents, and then from there we'll drop back down, because after that second rally we always drop back down. But I would argue that I think it's more likely that we will hold 15 cents for a little bit, but that we will drop down to this level right here between 11 cents and 12.5 cents, and that from there we are actually able to start another uptrend. Or at least a rally, a spike, whatever you want to call that, up to this level here at 19 and 20 cents, and then from there drop back down again, because as I said, usually those second rallies always drop back down again afterwards. All right, and then at some point, I mean, just in general, looking at the longer term view, at some point we're going to find support somewhere, maybe at 10 cents, maybe at 8 cents, maybe even at 12 cents. It's very well possible. And then from that support we'll consolidate and start another uptrend somewhere in the next months, because I do think that that whole AI momentum and the AI trend in crypto will continue, but this move was just a little bit too much. All right, so that's my take on Agix for the short term and for the long term. For now, take care and bye.